Hello everyone, welcome to another version of Lou's Redos.
Buon pomeriggio, miei amici.
Today we're going to do something a little off the wall.
As usual.
The other day I was having a conversation with some guys and it always goes to food. And one of the guys said, I'm in the mood for fried chicken. And one of the other guys said, yeah, but you need some marinara sauce to dip the chicken in so you could eat it. And I said, Italian fried chicken. Duh, that's a redo.
Mm-hmm.
So, what I did was, I got some chicken pieces in buttermilk, and I have them marinating. I added some oregano, some sage, some parsley, some garlic powder, and I think that's about it.
Yeah.
I said parsley.
Yeah.
So, about a tablespoon of each in the buttermilk. What's going to make it the Italian version,
Ooh, excuse me.
folks, we're going to coat it in polenta.
Hey.
So,
Same stuff in the polenta?
I did the exact same ingredients, yes, thank you, in the polenta, except in the polenta I added a handful of Parmesan or Pecorino Romano cheese into the polenta.
2 handfuls, don't believe them.
So we have a little garlic powder, a little pepper, sage, oregano, parsley, and some cheese. I have the oil at about 350. Now you have to remember when you're frying, every time you drop something in the oil, it's going to change the temperature.
Mm-hmm.
Just please be careful when you're frying, folks. Don't fill your pot up all the way, because when you add whatever it is you're adding, it's going to bubble up.
And always fry with a shirt on.
Yes, and preferably long sleeves, because it does get nasty. So what we're going to do is we're going to coat up a couple of pieces here. And again, this is a simple recipe. If you're not going to butcher the chicken yourself, go to your favorite supermarket, buy it quartered. The breasts are going to be on the large side, so you can cut those in half. It all depends on what you want and your frying capabilities.
I mean, who doesn't love some large chicken breasts?
There you go.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so we're going to kind of just pat that down. Now, I already have some done. We're just going to coat the rest of these.
Ten out of 10.
Just make sure you get the polenta in all the little crevices here.
Now, for the people that don't know what polenta is, shame on you, but polenta is...
Cornmeal.
Yeah. So this is a gluten-free recipe, everyone.
Yes, it's gluten-free. Jess, when you're ready, we'll make you Italian fried chicken.
I'll be sure not to eat them all. Maybe.
Actually, you going to Jersey?
Yeah.
Take us some.
Alright. Little aside there, folks.
Yeah, sorry. Private conversation. That you were all now privy to. couple more minutes.
Still at the same temp?
Temp is holding steady at 350. Of course, I'm looking at it without my glasses. That could be 450 for all I know.
Who knows?
No, it's 350. Usually, you drop your chicken on a nice sized piece. You need to keep it in the fryer 5, 7, 8 minutes. Excuse me, in this case, I am going to cut it a little bit shorter because I am going to put it in the oven for a little bit. And the reason I'm going to do that is not everybody's home for dinner yet. So I'm going to cut it short. Frying time, I'm going to put the oven on 200 so it does not burn. Just keeps it warm.
Nice slow cooked fried chicken.
And we shall, folks, here we go. Italian fried chicken. It doesn't get better than that.
Oh, that smells really good.
You have, again, as Carl said, it's a gluten-free because it is cornmeal. So I didn't use any flour to coat it. I didn't do any of that. Buttermilk and your polenta. Seasoned properly. Italian version of fried chicken.
It's gluten free. It's got to be healthy, right?
That's it. Frying the
As we deep fry it, yeah. Folks, this fryer did not lead us in prayer, so take that as you will. What do we got? 2 more pieces in there?
2 more pieces to fry, and we are done. So you can leave me to my frying. You folks could start your frying. It's simple. Again, Fran, quick and easy. Put in the buttermilk, put in the polenta, and fry it. End of story. Folks, if you like what you see here, please like, share, subscribe. If you get stuck with a recipe or you don't know what to do with a food or leftover, send me an email, leftoversbylou@gmail.com. I'll try to answer everyone. Just let me know what you need and I'll get it done. Eventually I'll get it done. Folks, good cooking and enjoy. Be safe.